What's up guys, my name is Alin, I'm a Wix.com developer, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to enable NLWeb for your Wix.com website to get such an SEO advantage when individuals are typing on OpenChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, all these platforms. This feature is a simple feature you can turn on, and it is going to improve the chances of your content being recommended on these LLMs like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, we're using the AI agents. So what we want to do to turn this on is very simple. Go to Wix.com. So let's do this together. Go to Wix.com. Once you are on Wix.com, simply select your project. So if you have multiple projects like I do, simply select a project you want to work on. Once you've selected your project, the only thing you want to do is hover over to the left-hand side, click on SEO and GEO. Once you click on SEO and GEO, simply scroll down to the very bottom under Tools and Settings, and we have a brand new feature here called NLWeb. As you can see, it says increase your site's chances of being found by AI-powered agents and tools. So we want to go ahead and click on Connect NLWeb. From there, all we want to do is simply install NLWeb, and that is it. Your website will be much more accessible for these platforms. So hopefully this helps. And if at any point you'd like to work with me regarding your SEO efforts, regarding your structured data markups, or overall just improving your SEO, definitely consider reaching out. I am available for hire under Alin Baho via the Wix.com marketplace, and I hope you've enjoyed this free SEO tutorial. Enjoy your day. Best of luck.